नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम देखेंगे इकोनॉमिक करंट अफेयर जो कि टोटली इकोनॉमिक पर बेस्ड होगा। तो इंडिया और इंटरनेशनल सारे इसमें इंक्लूड हो जाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इसके पहले आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा फॉर 2025-26, which state has emerged as India's largest investment destination? So it is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. So if we talk about the percentage, so this is 25.3%, the highest, along with 25.3%. So Andhra Pradesh with 23.5%. Next question, which ministry recently launched a new logo with the theme Data for Development? So the Data for Development theme launch with the Ministry of Statistics. स्टैटिस्टिक्स यानी कि सांख्यिकी मंत्रालय द्वारा इसे जारी किया गया है। You can see the data for development logo. Next question, how many improved varieties of 35 crops developed by the ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research? So how many improved varieties of 25 crops developed by the ICAR were unveiled by the Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on January 4, 2026? So it is 184. You can see this is 184 hybrid varieties are introduced. Next question, which company launched a PIN-based UPI service in India on December 16, 2025? So it is Amazon. Amazon launched the PIN-based UPI system. Next question, which country became the seventh nation to conclude free trade agreement negotiation with India in December 2025? So it is New Zealand. So New Zealand is correct option. India and New Zealand reached the free trade agreement. Okay, next question, which country issued its first polymer real note for featuring modern security features and a national symbol in December 2025? So it is Oman. Oman, you can see here the note of Oman featuring national symbol, and you can also see here Central Bank of Oman. Next question, by what name did the Bureau of India Standard BIS notify India's first standard for incense stick Agarbatti on December 24, 2025. So it is IAIS Indian Standard 19412 ratio 2025. So it is a standard for the Agarbatti. And why it is introduced? Because it is highly mm, pollinating, like because a lot of people get sick due to low quality of agarbattis. Next question, India has become the which number largest economic country in the world in terms of industrial project by pipeline after China and USA? It has become the third. First number China, second number USA, and the third number is what? India. India, you can see here, India third number in pipe industrial pipeline. Next question, which new mission plan to replace मनरेगा इन दिसंबर 2025? So मनरेगा in दिसंबर में मनरेगा replaced by which scheme? So it is विकसित भारत गारंटी फॉर रोजगार जीविका मिशन बी वीबी रामजी राइट. You can see here मनरेगा replaced by VBG Ramji, and you can also see here मनरेगा was introduced in 2025, which is replaced by VBG Ramji at 2025. Next question, in December 2025, which international organization gave C grade? C grade rating to India's national account statistics based on the data quality. So it was given by the International Monetary Fund IMF. You can see here the logo of the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Next question, which city in Andhra Pradesh is said to become India's first integrated financial city in November 2025? So it is Amravati, or where it is located. Amravati is located in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Next question, which company was granted Navratna status in November 2025? So Navratna status is given by Numaligarh Refinery Limited. Numaligarh Refinery Limited. It has given Navratna status. Next question, who has recently become the youngest self-made female billionaire in world? So youngest self-made billionaire in the world is Luciana Lopez Lara. Luciana Lopez Lara. Next question, under the agreement signed during the Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India in December 2025, what is the target for bilateral trade by 2030? So 100 Arab dollar. It's a 2030 What? So you can see 100 Arab dollar, 100 Arab dollar trade is going to do with Russia. Is the target. Next question. What was the record food grain production in India in the year 2025? So food grain production in India in 2025 is 357 million tons. 357 million tons. Next question. Which bank received in principle approval for the RBI in December 2025 to convert India to a small finance bank? SFB, small finance bank. So it is Fino Payment Bank. It is Fino Payment Bank. Next question. Which company announced the acquisition of Warner Bros. Discovery for $72 billion in December 2005? So it is Netflix. Netflix is going to acquire Warner Bros. Discovery for $72 billion. Next question. Which country's payment system was declared the world's largest real-time payment system by the IMF in December 2025? So it is India. IMF immediate by the IMF. So real-time International Monetary Fund have given the this designation because India is using mm, world largest real-time payment system like UPI. Next question. Which airline was ordered by the Ministry of Civil Aviation in December 2025 to reduce its regular flight by 10% due to crisis? So it is Indigo Airline. Next question. Which bank was honored with the Best Bank of India award at the Banker Award 2025 held in London? So it is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda given the award, the Bankers Award. Next question. Which IIT reached India's first incubator linked deep tech venture capital fund with a corpus of 250 crore rupees? So it is IIT Mumbai. IIT Bombay, IIT Mumbai. Next question. What is the objective of the Your Money, Your Right campaign started by the government of India? So its objective is to return unclaimed financial assets to citizen. To return अनक्लेम्ड फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स टू इट्स सीजन नागरिकों को उनकी लवारिस वित्तीय संपत्तियों को खोजकर उन्हें वापस लाने के लिए इट हैज़ गिवन आंसर की in the PDF, so you can download PDF and revise again whenever you want. And further, we move further. India's first salary-based credit card was launched with which bank? So India's first salary-based credit card is going to be launched by City Union Bank. City Union Bank. According to Forbes report released in December 2025, who has been named the first person in the world to have a wealth of $600 billion. So, who can be this? This is none other than Elon Musk. Next question. With which country did India sign a free trade agreement FTA CEPA on December 18, 2025? So, it is Oman. Next question. Which bank was named Banker of the Year by the banker in December 2025? So, already I have. It is DBS. DBS Bank. DBS Bank. Banker of the Year Award. Which country launched the world first yen based stable coin? What is the yen? Japan. Japan currency is yen. So yen based stable coin JPYC. So it is also even J means Japan. Japan JPYC Japan yen currency on October 27, 2025. So it is what? Japan. Next question. According to the Kantar Brand's Most Valuable Indian Brands Report 2025, which brand has become the India's most valuable brand, surpassing TCS? So it is HDFC Bank. Next question. According to the Kurun Report 2025, which Indian city has been declared the world third largest billionaire city after New York and London? So third largest billionaire city is Mumbai. Next question. What is the proposed base year for the GDP series to be released by the Ministry of Statistics in February 2026? So it is financial year 2022-23. Next question. How many central labor laws were merged by the central government to implement four labor laws code in November 2025? So all 29 labor law code were merged into only four labor codes. Only four labor codes. So initially it was 29 and now it has become only four labor codes. Next question. Which is the first public sector bank in India to cross a total turnover of $100 billion? So it is State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Next question. Which African country recently announced the adoption of India's Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission? DYNRLM. So it is Ethiopia going to adopt this Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission. Next question. Which state was declared the Ginger capital of India by Niti Aayog on November 24, 2025? So it is Mizoram. Mizoram is going to be declared, Mizoram has been declared as Ginger capital of India. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Earth Pay Commission? So chairman of the Earth Pay Commission, Ranjana Prakash Desai. Ranjana Prakash Desai. In next question, in which city was India's first QR code based kiosk started for paying traffic fines in October 2025? So it is Gurugram. Gurugram. Next question, where was the country's first commercial electric truck battery swapping and charging station inaugurated by the Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari on October 8, 2025? So it is Sonipat. Next question, which city was named Asia's happiest city by Time Out Index 2025? So happiest city is Mumbai. Next question, which Indian rum received Global Brand of the Year award at the Spirits Business Award 2025 held in London? So it is Kamikara, Kamikara, Kamikara. You can write like Kamikara, Kamikara. Next question, which currency was declared the worst performing currency in Asia in November 2025? So worst performing currency is rupee in Asia. Next question, which institution has been named the world top of cooperative institution in the ICA World Cooperative Monitor 2025 ranking? So it is Amul. Next question, by which year has India set a target to achieve a steel production capacity of 300 million tons? So the target is 2030. By 2030, 300 million tons of production of steel, we get this amount. Next question, which bank conducted the first gold trade on India International Bullion Exchange, IIBX India International Bullion Exchange? So gold trade. So it is State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Next question. Which state was declared India's first highly poverty-free state on November 1st, 2025? So poverty-free is Kerala. Next question. What was the value of India's foreign exchange reserve in the week ending December 2025? So it was 696.1610. Nearly 700, nearly near about 700 billion dollar. Billion dollar. Next question. Which country became the world's largest rice producer in December 2025, surpassing China with a production of 150.18 million tons? So it is none other than India. Next question. By which year has Niti Aayog set a target to double the production of pulses in the country? So it is 2030 also. That means whatever we are producing pulses right now, we will double it in 2030 after 5 years, within 5 years. Next question. Which tax rate have been abolished in GST 2.0 implemented from September 2025 to simplify the indirect tax system? So 12 and 28% was abolished. 12 and 18%. Oh, sorry, 12 and sorry, this is the correct 12 and 28%. 12 and 28% slab has been removed. Next question. Which country launched the world's first AI powered right bank in August 2025? So it is Malaysia. Next question. Which state government approved the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana on August 2025 for women's empowerment and financial inclusion? So it is Bihar. Which scheme of Karnataka involving more than 500 crore female passengers was recorded in the Golden Book of World Records? So it is Shakti Yojana. Shakti Yojana. Shakti Yojana belong to which state? Karnataka. Next question. At which location did APEDA announce the opening of the regional office in August 2025 to promote agricultural export? So it is Patna, Raipur and Dehradun. Patna, Raipur and Dehradun. Next question, according to IRENA 2025 report, what is India's current global rank in solar energy production? So, if we see International Renewable Energy IRENA International Renewable Energy report 2025, India's ranking is what? Third. Next question, according to the Export Overview 2024-25 report released in August 2025, which state was presented as the top exporting state? So India's top exporting state is Gujarat. Next question, which bank became the first in the country to receive standardization, testing and quality certification STQC for its official website on July 22, 2025? So it is Bank of India. Bank of India. Next question, which is the first Indian company to join the International Council on Mining and Metals? So it is Hindustan Zinc Limited. Hindustan Zinc Limited. Next question. In August 2025, which agency upgraded India's sovereign credit rating from triple B minus to triple B? So, which is it is done by Standard and Poor's. Next question. Which bank became the first small finance bank in India to receive a universal banking license from Reserve Bank of India? So, it is AU Small Finance Bank. AU Small Finance Bank. Next question. On July 11, 2025, which state became first in India to grant agriculture status to animal husbandry and poultry farming? So, it has given by Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, agriculture status to animal husbandry and poultry farm. Poultry farm and animal husbandry is also come under the agricultural status. Next question. On in July 2025, Elon Musk company Tesla opened its first Indian showroom in which city? So it is open in Mumbai. Mumbai, especially Kurla Complex. Kurla Complex. Kurla Complex. Next question. According to the Power Ministry's July 2025 report, what was the per capita electricity consumption in India for the year 2023-24? So per capita electricity consumption was 1395 kilowatt per hour. 1395 kilowatt per hour. So it is an average. Next question. Which bank was honored as the best consumer bank 2025 by the Global Finance magazine in July 2025? So it is State Bank of India. Next question. With which country did Prime Minister Narendra Modi sign a historic free trade agreement and a comprehensive economic and trade agreement on July 24, 2025? So it is UK, United Kingdom. Next question, which country launched the first electric truck promotion scheme in July 2025? So it is India. Next question, on August 1, 2025, the RBI approved the voluntary merger of New India Cooperative Bank Limited with which bank? So New India Cooperative Bank Limited is going to be merged with the Saraswat Cooperative Bank. Saraswat Cooperative Bank. New India Cooperative Bank merged with the Saraswat Cooperative Bank. Next question, which state government launched the Annadata Sukhi Bhava PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana in August 2025? So it is done by Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Next question, which payment bank introduced an Aadhaar-based face authentication service in August 2025? So it is India Post Payment Bank. India Post Payment Bank. Next and the last question of this session is, according to the World Energy Statistical Review 2025 report, what is India's global rank as a consumer of biofuel? So as a consumer of biofuel, India's ranking is fourth. India's ranking is fourth. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.